Exploring the world of heavy machinery is an exciting and enriching journey. We will learn about the construction, operating principles, and applications of large-scale heavy machinery across various jobs. Let's prepare together and start exploring right away. The giant crawler excavator, or Bagger 288, is an icon of strength and impressiveness in the mining industry. Standing at 220 meters tall, measuring 450 meters in length, and weighing over 13,500 tons, it is one of the largest and heaviest machines ever built. This machine is equipped with giant crawler tracks and a bucket capable of excavating soil and rock at a speed of up to 460 cubic meters per minute, enabling the extraction of over 300,000 tons of coal per day. The Ponce Scorpion King harvester with the H7 harvesting head and C50 crane cuts and trims trees, precisely and quickly optimizing wood production. Equipped with a powerful drivetrain system, the machine has a reach of up to 11 meters and lifting force of up to 16 tons, effortlessly lifting and moving wood at high speed. This machine is the top choice for timber harvesters. The Pronar MPB 20.55 mobile compost screening machine boasts high efficiency and flexibility. With a multi-level screening system and a 20 mm mesh size, the machine removes impurities and converts compost into uniformly sized pellets, suitable for agricultural need. A powerful diesel engine enables the machine to process up to 400 m/h, ensuring high performance and stability. Its mobile design with crawler tracks allows easy movement across all terrains, while a simple control system supports efficient operation. The Caterpillar D11T is the largest and most powerful crawler dozer ever produced by Caterpillar, known as a behemoth in the mining and construction industries. Powered by a Cat C32 diesel engine delivering 685 horsepower and robust torque, the D11T efficiently moves and levels terrain on rough terrains. With an 18-foot wide blade and a powerful hydraulic system, along with independent suspension, the dozer smoothly grades materials. The Claas Exerion 3800 by Claas Germany is a powerful multi-purpose tractor widely used for snow blowing, thanks to its Mercedes-Benz diesel engine producing 380 horsepower and 1880 of torque. Equipped with a full-time four-wheel drive system and the ability to rotate 360 degrees, the Exerion 3800 operates easily on all types of terrain, from city streets to large areas, ensuring efficient snow clearing. The Carlton 7015 is a standout mobile tree stump grinder capable of efficiently processing large tree stumps up to 48 inches in diameter. Equipped with sharp cutting blades and a powerful engine, the machine handles all types of tree stumps, from hard trunks to tough roots. Using this machine saves time and effort, operates efficiently with low operating costs, and is environmentally friendly by recycling tree stumps into fertilizer or soil cover. However, it comes with a high price tag and generates significant noise, requiring specialized maintenance. The Workin SM2500 is a popular surface mining machine in the limestone quarrying industry. With sharp cutting blades and a powerful drive system, the machine efficiently mines limestone to a depth of 2.6 feet and at a speed of up to 5 feet per minute. The machine's productivity reaches up to 900 tons per hour, saving time and effort. It is an ideal choice for businesses looking to enhance production efficiency in the limestone quarrying industry. The professional hydraulic wood clamp Model P is considered the perfect solution for the forestry industry, designed from high-strength steel to ensure durability and long lifespan. Its 360-degree rotation capability and ease of installation and use optimize work efficiency. A powerful hydraulic system provides high clamping force, handling wood of various sizes and weights. The clamp design with sawtooth protection ensures wood safety and reduces slipping during wood movement. You know anything about how to operate this T1155 trencher? Leave me comment number 1. The Mizar Baler hydraulic baling machine is an ideal choice for compacting cars in the scrap metal recycling industry. With a capacity of 4,120 tons, the machine compresses car parts into compact bales measuring 1,200 x 800 x 1,000 mm. The baling process involves 4 steps: feeding, compressing, tying the bale, and ejecting it. Using this machine optimizes recycling efforts, saves on storage and transportation costs, while ensuring safety and environmental friendliness. The Pettibone Speed Swing is a versatile rubber-tired crane ideal for railroad maintenance. With a lifting capacity of 2,575 tons, boom lengths ranging from 1,220 meters, and a travel speed up to 40 km/h, the machine aids in laying track, switches, and an efficient cleanup. Designed for ease of use and safety, this machine is the perfect choice for railroad companies, enhancing efficiency and cost savings. The Liebherr LTM 1500 8.1 is an 8-axle mobile crane, a giant machine in the construction industry with a lifting capacity of 500 tons, ideal for large-scale projects. With a maximum boom length of 75 meters, the machine has the capability to reach far and lift heavy objects easily. It maneuvers flexibly across all terrains, designed with modern features including spacious cabins and advanced functionalities, making it a valuable asset for precision-demanding projects. Lindner Araco 95DK and Rotochopper 266 are optimal solutions for processing wood waste. Araco 95DK performs primary shredding at 1040 tons per hour with an input size of 950 m and output of 2120 m. Rotochopper 266 handles secondary grinding at 1025 tons per hour with an input size of 100 mm and output of 540 mm. This system delivers high efficiency, consistent output, ease of use, and safety, making it an ideal solution for wood recycling businesses. It helps reduce costs and protect the environment. At the construction site in Parndorf, Pringle successfully installed the Terex AC 1000/9 all-terrain crane. This crane has a lifting capacity of 1,200 tons and a maximum system length of 163 meters. The installation process was meticulous, covering aspects from the 9-axle chassis to the 50-meter main boom. This careful approach ensured stability and operational efficiency. Once installation was complete, the crane underwent thorough testing and trials. This installation serves as evidence of engineering progress and the ability to overcome challenges in the construction industry. The Dulaval 6000 sweeper is a name familiar to those concerned with street environmental sanitation, boasting a sweeping width of up to 3,000 m and an efficient brush and dust suction system. It is equipped with a 201 horsepower diesel engine, a 4.5 EM waste container, and a 2-stage dust filtering system. This machine minimizes dust dispersion and effectively protects the environment. With its powerful features and environmental friendliness, would you like to own an environmentally friendly machine like the Dulaval 6000 sweeper? The Volvo EC 550E is a mid-size hydraulic excavator featuring a Volvo D8 Tier 4 final engine that produces 261 horsepower. It boasts a notable bucket capacity of 3.9 m and can excavate with a long reach arm and digging force up to 200 chain, ensuring efficient material handling. The spacious cab provides excellent visibility and a comfortable working environment for the operator. The KEMRO CDE MW220 cutter is designed to be mounted on excavators ranging from 18 to 35 tons. Powered by the excavator's hydraulic system with pressures ranging from 300 to 350 bar, the machine can cut through tough materials such as rock, concrete, and asphalt. With adjustable rotation speed, it's suitable for various applications, from road construction to mining and demolition. Its robust and efficient design makes the KEMRO CDM U220 an ideal tool for projects requiring power and durability. The DOS AND X255 excavator is a symbol of strength and efficiency. Equipped with the powerful Doosan DL6 engine, delivering 187 horsepower, the machine operates robustly and steadily. Weighing around 25 tons, it can handle excavation and movement of soil, rock, and other construction materials. With digging depths ranging from 0.92 to 1.15 m and digging reach from 6.45 m to 7.2 m, the DX255 is the ideal choice for large projects requiring power and precision. The Valtra, a 124, is a typical forestry tractor, equipped with a 124 horsepower AGC or Power 4-cylinder engine. With a 4-double UD transmission system, it easily maneuvers through forest terrain. Paired with a Palms trailer and a 7.86 meter crane, this setup optimizes wood transportation and handling. Its strong lifting capability allows for handling large logs, enhancing forestry efficiency. The advanced design and technology of the Valtra A124 ensure performance and reliability in all working conditions. Pezzolato firewood equipment is a high-performance firewood processing machine for large retailers in France. The machine comprises a wood loading and conveyor system, a wood cutting machine, and a log splitter. The wood loading system can handle up to 10 logs per minute, with logs up to 60 km in diameter and 6 meters in length. The wood-cutting machine can process logs with diameters up to 120 km and lengths from 25 km to 1 meter. The conveyor system has a speed of up to 10 meters per minute, with a capacity of up to 5 tons per hour. This is a powerful, flexible, and time-saving machine, optimizing output efficiency. The New Holland T7070 is one of the premium workhorses of New Holland, designed to operate efficiently across various agricultural applications. Equipped with a 6-cylinder diesel engine, the machine delivers robust performance of around 165 horsepower, enabling it to tackle demanding tasks. With the PowerShift automatic transmission, the machine offers strong and flexible movement. Additionally, the T7070 is equipped with advanced steering and control systems, providing a smooth and easy driving experience. The Carlton 8018 utilizes the Revolution cutting wheel system, with a cutting wheel diameter of up to 30 inches and a grinding depth of 12 inches. With a flexible rotation speed ranging from 120 to 240 revolutions per minute and carbide cutting teeth, this machine is efficient in tree cutting and stump removal. Designed to handle large trees, the Carlton 8018 is an ideal tool in the forestry industry and landscape management. The Vervaille Hydrotrike is a self-propelled, three-wheeled vehicle equipped with a modern fertilizing system capable of transporting and distributing liquid, solid or semi-solid fertilizers. It's equipped with a powerful hydraulic drive system, ensuring flexible operation on all terrain. The Vogelsang X-Still is a multifunctional trenching machine designed to create furrows, fertilize, mix soil, and prepare beds for planting. Equipped with sharp cutting blades and flexible depth adjustment systems, it helps create precise furrows as required. The combination of the Vervaille Hydrotrike and Vogelsang X-Still enhances efficiency in agriculture and soil conservation. Do you think the Logset 6F stuck in a muddy swamp can overcome this terrain challenge? With a 200 horsepower diesel engine and a weight of 18 tons, it easily handles loads of up to 14 tons of wood. When stuck in muddy swamps, its flexible suspension system and large wheels, along with chains, help the Logset 6F maintain optimal traction and pulling force. Thanks to advanced technology and engine power, the machine can navigate slippery and rugged terrain, ensuring continuous wood transportation. The Indico ISS 45/90 steel cutter is ideal for demolition and metal recycling work in New York. Weighing approximately 4.5 tons and operating at a pressure of 350 bar, the machine can cut up to 90 tons, enabling it to handle heavy steel and metal. With a jaw opening of 90 km and a length of 3.5 meters, combined with 360-degree rotation capability, the ISS 45/90 can easily adjust and perform cutting operations at various angles. This feature makes the tool indispensable in the construction and metal recycling industries. If you're looking for a tool to assist with your firewood splitting, the Palex 900.2 machine is the ideal choice for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on more great machines. The Norwood HD36 V2 wood saw has the capability to cut logs with a diameter of up to 36 inches and lengths of up to 24 feet. Equipped with a motor, including a 5 horsepower electric motor or a 13 horsepower gasoline engine, it ensures powerful and efficient operation. The precise cutting system with a 36-inch saw blade enables accurate and smooth wood cutting. This machine is designed for easy use and operation, while also equipped with various safety features such as blade protection and anti-vibration system, ensuring safety for users. The KAMAZ truck, with its 6x6 drive system and powerful engine, is an icon of the Russian trucking industry. Often used in harsh conditions like snow and mud, KAMAZ demonstrates remarkable strength and durability. With horsepower ranging from 300 to 600, they are capable of carrying loads from 10 to 50 tons. This makes KAMAZ an ideal choice for freight transport, construction, and mining, especially in rugged terrain conditions. The Stump Shear 1270 is a specialized machine designed for removing tree stumps or stump clusters after they have been cut down. The machine features a sturdy structure made of high-strength steel, ensuring durability and stability in all working conditions. With a powerful cutting force of up to 127 tons and a cutting diameter of up to 47 inches, the machine efficiently handles tough tree stumps and roots. Easy to operate and versatile, when combined with other machinery, it becomes an essential tool in stump removal. The Komatsu D355 A3 features a powerful turbocharged 6-cylinder engine, delivering up to 225 horsepower and 843 lb-ft of torque. With a weight of up to 103,730 lbs and a travel speed of 5.1 mph, the machine is capable of stable operation. It boasts a pulling force of up to 54,600 lbs, while its 12 FD6 in blade length enables effective earth-moving and leveling tasks. This is a reliable choice for large construction projects and mining applications. They have equipped Grassman Bison 120 mobile stone crusher, features a jaw size of 120x600M and a crushing capacity of up to 120 tons. Its high-performance 115 recoated engine can crush materials up to 110 mm in size. Weighing 15,000 kg, the machine is capable of continuous operation of up to 300 tons per hour. This is a flexible and powerful solution for processing and crushing all types of construction materials. Large hammers often refer to heavy equipment used in construction and roadworks. On the 3 highway and Serra Rotonda tunnel, these could be rock breakers or pavement breakers to prepare for highway construction or expansion. These machines typically have significant power to expedite the demolition process or site preparation, saving time and effort. Starting today's video, I would like to introduce to you the Sumitomo SH500 excavator, a masterpiece of Sumitomo Construction Machinery Co. in Japan, proudly known as a powerful excavator. Powered by a Cummins QSX-15 diesel engine, it has a maximum output of 328 horsepower at 1,800 revolutions per minute. With an advanced hydraulic system, the machine increases capacity and optimizes productivity in all operating conditions. Weighing around 50 tons and capable of lifting to heights of 5.3 meters, the SH500 is a reliable partner when working in challenging environmental conditions. Next is the Caterpillar D11, a sight that can be scary when encountering this monster on the road. Caterpillar D11, a powerful bulldozer from Caterpillar, is known for its ability to operate effectively on terrain full of challenges. With its powerful engine, the D11 meets all the needs of the construction and mining industries. With its heavy weight and powerful cutting blades, this machine is a great choice for on-the-go and leveled the earth, sand, and rocks. Introducing the world's most formidable heavy machinery transport system, the E551,400. Specifically designed to transport heavy machinery such as the Komatsu PC 5500. The Komatsu PC 5500 is one of the largest mining shovels in the world, global, designed primarily for mining operations and the extraction of hard materials such as granite, coal, and iron ore. With an operating weight of approximately 530 tons and a powerful Komatsu diesel engine, the machine can dig depths from 22 to 30 meters depending on requirements. Equipped with a variety of bucket sizes from approximately 20 to 45 cubic meters, the Komatsu PC 5500 is a versatile tool for mining and construction applications. Do you know how much it costs to operate the world's second largest cargo truck, Cat 793F per year? The Cat 793F is one of Caterpillar Inc.'s large mining trucks, an upgraded version of the 793 model. With a length of 15.7 meters, a width of 9.7 meters, a height of 7.5 meters, the vehicle weighs 160 tons empty, can carry up to 327 tons of goods, equipped with drum brakes and exhaust pipes controlled by an electronic system ensuring safety and efficiency during travel. With the technical specifications just mentioned, can you guess how much fuel this machine consumes per year? The breakthrough of the Kentech XD620S screening machine is truly remarkable. Enhanced screening capabilities, reduced energy costs, reduced maintenance costs through a simple and effective solution have made everyone amazed. This not only demonstrates flexibility and innovation in adopting new technology, but also raises questions about how small improvements can have a significant impact on processing waste. It also demonstrates that implementing environmentally friendly solutions is socially responsible and brings economic benefits. Huata's permanent magnet double-blade stone mining machine is truly a remarkable breakthrough in the quarrying industry. This equipment not only delivers outstanding cutting performance, but also helps users stay away from harsh environments. Dangerous environment. With intelligent control system and impressive automatic cutting ability, the machine enhances productivity with high performance superior to traditional types. Huada double blades' innovation and performance stand out in the quarrying industry. Perhaps you have never thought that splitting stone is so easy. The construction stone splitter, 150 tons, used to split granite blocks, is a specialized equipment used to break granite blocks in construction. With a capacity of 150 tons, this machine ensures sturdiness and durability. Effective stone separation. The stone splitting process is carried out with high precision, producing stone pieces of the desired size and shape. For an even more impressive display, we present the BMM 400 Brickmaker, a popular choice due to its outstanding features. Soil is placed into the hopper, and the machine kneads it thoroughly before pushing through the wheel mold to shape square bricks. The machine is designed with 2 rows of molds to help improve productivity. With the ability to produce up to 60,000 bricks every day, the BMM 400 Brickmaker is truly the perfect choice, an effective solution for brick production. Drop a 1 if you are passionate about technology and mechanics. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest videos. As a new product in the construction industry, Superior Manufacturing's SVL 130 vacuum lifter uses a unique vacuum method. Each suction pad is designed in the form of a wide, flat disc, creating air pressure to absorb dust and firmly hold materials. As stated on the Superior website, the SVL 130 vacuum lifter has a maximum lifting capacity of up to 5,900 kilograms. Say hello to the Nessie Dredger, a powerful tool in underwater pipeline excavation for offshore wind farms in the UK. With the ability to work at depths of up to 10 m and installation depths from 3.5 m to 6 m, Nessie has completed the excavation of an 8,000 m long export cable line. The cable has a diameter of 210 mm and weighs 75 kilograms per m, demonstrating the sturdiness and durability of the machine. 500 m per h, Nessie demonstrates outstanding efficiency and precision in its operations. Amazement arose from seeing the Nessie Fave, a contemporary machine in full swing and laying underground cables between Nordstrandismoor and Lutmoorsiel and Amrum and Four. With its impressive size and low ground pressure, the Nessie 5 is a powerful tool and a symbol of progress in the undersea cable industry. Modern technology like Nessie 5 opens up new possibilities for deploying underwater infrastructure efficiently and conveniently. The name Stump Killer is equipped on the Groeneveld Stronkenkiller is a unique machine dedicated to effectively removing tree stumps and vegetation. As a product of Groeneveld, this machine is powerful with a motor high capacity and superior in cutting and destroying tree stumps quickly. Quality blades and flexible operation make it ideal for soil cleaning, soil preparation, and landscape management. With Groeneveld Stronkenkiller, the magic lies in the power of the machine as well as its efficient and convenient functionality. The Sleipner E310 transport system is a unique solution for moving heavy-duty hydraulic excavators weighing from 267 to 310 tons. Sleipner wheels allow moving the excavator safely and quickly, At high speeds up to 15 kilometers per h and cost-effective excavator maintenance wheeled system. Sleipner system is widely used in the global mining industry and other environments where high mobility is a priority head. The 7495 excavator represents progress and power in the industry with a lifting capacity of up to 109 tons and a powerful engine producing up to 1,100 horsepower. Its flexible design, like an articulated arm, allows for precise control through cables. The bucket can be opened and closed, providing maximum flexibility during digging and dumping operations. With the above outstanding features, the 7495 excavator is not only an essential tool, but also a symbol of innovation. If you feel the screen vibrate, it's caused by this impressively large machine. A large gear is attached to the Vermeer RTX 1250 machine. It is designed for professional jobs such as digging underground cable trenches for large businesses. With high power and rotation speed, the machine is equipped with technologies that bring an enjoyable experience to users. Operator. Below is Liebherr's powerful super excavator, the R9350, weighing about 345 tons and equipped with a powerful diesel engine with a capacity of up to 2240 horsepower. With the ability to dig up to 9 meters deep and an impressive digging speed of up to 14 or up 3 at a time. Now this machine is truly a symbol of power and efficiency. When observing it in action, one not only witnesses the power of the machine, but also feels the power of the woman operating inside the cabin. Indeed, this is the beauty of strength. The CAT 657 Scrapers Excavator Series is an icon in the construction and heavy material transportation industry. The powerful 875 horsepower diesel engine optimizes performance and versatility for a variety of tasks. Have you ever wondered how farmers harvest millions of tons of red apples? In this image, I will show you an impressive machine combined with professionalism in apple harvesting. Equipped with advanced automatic technologies, this machine can automatically navigate, harvest, and classify apples effectively. The sensor and camera system supports the machine in identifying each apple, ensuring the process, accurate and fast harvesting. Automated technology helps optimize productivity and reduce workload for farmers. Machines are becoming more and more interesting to us. Press 1 if you find this content interesting, and press 0 if you find it uninteresting, so we can improve every day. The valley scenery is magnificent. These machines are preparing for rescue operations. Machines are increasingly integrated into industry, and it seems we cannot escape it. So in this photo, we will witness the beauty of machines when combined with humans. This excellence enhances my content creation abilities. The John Deere X9 1450 is one of the largest and most powerful combines from John Deere, with an engine power of up to 691 horsepower. Its hopper capacity reaches up to 14,100 liters, allowing for harvesting a large amount of grain and crops at once. Equipped with an information control system, the machine helps optimize performance and fuel efficiency. With its strong operation capability and high efficiency, this machine is the top choice for agricultural producers looking to increase harvesting productivity.